This is Lesson 1 Math Quiz, Problem 4. Be sure to show all the steps on how to solve this problem and explain where you made your mistake. Again, we're going to use the formula area equals base times height. Here, I see that the right angle is being formed with the 6 1/5 foot section. So I know that the 5 is my height, that 6 1/5 is my base, and I'm looking for the area. So when I put into the calculator 6 unit, 1 numerator, 5 denominator, times 5, or 6 1/5 times 5, then I get 31 feet squared.